Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use share screen with Omegle using your OBS. So first head over to your Google Chrome and you need to search for OBS Studio. Then on the first link, click on OBS Studio. Here on the home page, click on Windows. Then as you can see at the bottom left corner, you can see here the downloading file of the OBS. And then once you've done, click on open and then wait for a few seconds, and then you need to install this application. Then once you've done, going back to the OBS Studio, then look for OBS Virtual Camera. So tap on go to download. Now once you've done, open your OBS Studio as you can see on your screen and try to start using the virtual camera. Going back to the Google Chrome, then search for omegle.com as you can see here on the homepage, and then start chatting using video. Then check again the box right over here, then confirm and continue. Now to share screen on Omegle, so you need to tap on this camera symbol and then you can choose right over here, or you can go actually on manage option. So click on manage. Now right here on the side settings, scroll down and look for camera. And then right here, choose the camera and choose the OBS camera 1. So that's all. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. And see you on the next video.